SEP investment full form. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we're breaking down key terms related to systematic investment plans, or SIPs. Whether you're experienced or new to investing, these terms will help you understand SIPs better. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates. Let's get started. Number 10. RTI, Right to Information. RTI stands for Right to Information. It lets you request details from public authorities, including financial institutions and asset management companies. AMCs use RTI to access information about mutual fund performance and operations. Number 9. ROC, Registrar of Companies. ROC, or Registrar of Companies, oversees company registration and compliance, including AMCs. They ensure AMCs and mutual fund schemes follow regulatory standards and maintain transparency. Number 8. URC, Unit Redemption Charge. URC, or Unit Redemption Charge, is a fee for redeeming mutual fund units before a specified period. It's designed to discourage early withdrawals and promote long-term investing. Number 7. ELSS, Equity-Linked Savings Scheme. ELSS, or Equity-Linked Savings Scheme, invests in equities and offers tax benefits under Section 80C. With a 3-year lock-in period, it's a popular choice for tax saving through SIPs. Number 6. SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan. SWP, or Systematic Withdrawal Plan, lets you withdraw a fixed amount from your mutual fund investments at regular intervals. It's useful for those needing a steady income stream. Number 5. STP, Systematic Transfer Plan. STP, or Systematic Transfer Plan, allows you to transfer a fixed amount from one mutual fund to another at regular intervals. It's a smart way to move funds based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 4. KYC, Know Your Customer. KYC, or Know Your Customer, involves verifying your identity before investing in mutual funds or SIPs. You'll need to provide identity and address proof, along with photographs. Number 3. AMC, Asset Management Company. AMC, or Asset Management Company, manages mutual funds and other investment products. They make investment decisions to help your funds grow. Notable AMCs include Vanguard, Fidelity, and BlackRock. Number 2. NAV, Net Asset Value. NAV, or Net Asset Value, is the per-unit value of a mutual fund, calculated by dividing the total value of the fund's assets minus liabilities by the number of outstanding units. It's key for buying and selling units. Number 1. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Finally, SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. SIP lets you invest a fixed amount regularly into mutual funds, encouraging disciplined investing and leveraging benefits like rupee cost averaging and compounding. Outro. That's it for our SIP investment full form. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.